Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Ram 1500. Stock number is A6975A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side. You have 20-inch chrome wheels wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Taking a look inside the cloth interior. Center console can fold up to become an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Factory trailer hitch, dual point exhaust, and a rear backup camera. Taking a look at the bed. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls, full stereo, climate control, and your four-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Ram on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.